It's probably my battery as well. Not the sounds of it. I think my battery's on its way out on my headset. Oh man. Let's get this something for you. Let's see. Current at. Got some workspace. Oh man. So you didn't strip any of this down now? No. Alright. I will. Let me get this off. There's only a little pin inside and it fires. It breaks.
He did say like there.
Mate, the amount of times. Yeah. So I don't even know, 5-6 a week. Easy. Yeah. I've got like loads on my van at the minute. And my next job, same thing.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
Where at?
MK, so it's about 35 minutes from here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, if you go down.
But I think I've got maybe 3 of these in today. I'm waiting on the 3rd bit. Yeah.
I'm sorry for swearing.
No, you're alright. All gets blanked. I'm going to take snippets, but it's just good for people to see, I think. Common issues, common faults, fixes. Usually not going to come out.
It's not out, it's just...
It's out, it's fine. Look at this, pull you down. You're off. Oh, the dreaded module. Take you. There we go. These are a nightmare. It's going to be a nightmare. Flat load. I've got a can in the van, thanks sweet. Yeah, it's that. So you're off to Cleethorpes tomorrow. How long are you going for?
A week.
Taking the car?
Yeah.
What if it works, yeah?
Yeah. Try and cram everything into the Polo.
Oh.
And you've got 3 kids, it's fun.
How old are they?
5, 3 and 1.
Oh. I got 5 boys. Yeah.
You can't.
I got to work, mate. Not my problem.
How old are they?
17, 16, twins are 13, little one's 6. No, little one's 7 now. A lot. Full on.
My youngest 2 and the mother's the eldest.
How are they?
5, so my daughter's 5, she's just like in school, but she's just starting to learn how to talk back end.
Oh, great age, yeah?
Yeah.
No, kids are fun.
No.
They are fun. They test, yeah? Alright, we're off. Oh, Dan. That was not that bad, that one.
That's good.
I like your car today. Right, so we can use 1, 2. Yeah, out of the way. Hammer time. Here's as low as it can go. No. That does not want to budge. Wow.
Speak too soon.
Don't make you cry anymore. One down, one to go.
What is it, like a pin?
Nah, it's a shear bolt, mate.
Oh.
You got no heads on them. You gotta force them out. Just cracking them. Once you crack them, you can just tap them around.
Oh, okay.
That was fun.
It's not the biggest part to work in. It's
Eh?
not the biggest part to work.
Nah, they're tiny. There's just no space. It's alright. Have I got my flathead? Yeah. Come on.
There we go.
We're at. Oh, I'm boiling. That was odd. I'm knackered. They say a hammer fixes everything, right? Come on. Got to turn now. Maybe there. So like. Yeah. Has to be in the exact spot. Hey, it's a tiny little hole you got to get that into. Such a pain in the Oh, look at all that WD-40, my man.
No.
What have you been doing?
No.
Ah. It wasn't me. That's not good for you, by the way.
Is it not?
No. So you've got... You see that module underneath your steering column?
Yeah.
It's electrics.
Oh.
And this will all drip into it. So don't put WD-40 in your ignition.
Okay. No.
Alright.
That was a YouTube video. I'm a mechanic as well.
Oh, I bet it was a mechanic that said, yeah, this is absolutely fine to do.
Spray a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, mate. I went to a steering lock a couple of weeks ago on a Honda.
No, yeah.
And the guy had emptied 1.5 cans into his ignition.
Oh, wow.
So what are you
Well,
doing?
Yeah, mine was not excessive.
Just, it baffles me, absolutely baffles me. I have not got the energy today. It is Father's Day. Now I'm going to go up to London.
But today?
Yeah, yeah, go see the family up there. So I've got a couple of jobs to do, and then I'm going to go escape. We ain't doing that again, are we?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, 100%. What is it you need to take out?
Everything.
Oh, okay.
I'm building a whole new one. It's all coming out. Yeah. There we go. This is why I wear black.
Yeah, I was wearing black yesterday.
From doing ignitions and stuff. Black. Yesterday I was in bright pink. Today is not a day. Look. There's your problem.
Oh. Oh, so it's completely snapped.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Got a lot in there. There's your other problem. A little tiny bit.
Oh god.
You got WD-40 happy, didn't you?
I didn't do that actually. I didn't do that bad. I literally sprayed like once or twice. Not like long burst either. It's like that was
everywhere. Yeah, never put it in your ignition. Don't listen to YouTube.
I won't. See, the thing is, my dad's the mechanic, but he's on holiday, so.
Oh.
He's one of these. We'll buy a broken car, try and fix it. He'll fix it and then sell it 6 months later.
Yeah.
As usual.
Most mechanics will wheel and deal and trade like that. It's just good. They know what they're doing when they're fixing them. Common faults and stuff like that.
Yeah. It was like, oh, blowing blue smoke, and then, oh yeah, that's cheap to fix that.
Yeah, if they know what they're doing.
It is, yeah.
Honestly.
Head gasket, well, yeah, but head gasket's easy to change. Just fiddly.
It is fiddly. It's funny though, a mechanic won't touch a steering lock and keys.
No, yeah. So I did get quoted originally, like from one of my no, he does my tyres and stuff, like, and we usually like help him out and stuff like that. But he did quote like 600 quid. I'm like, it's ridiculous.
There's no one touching these for less than for. People find me.
Yeah.
They do find me, but I'm not.
I'm glad that I did find you.
I'm not as expensive as the majority out there. Well, working, my man.
Yeah.
I know.
There we go.
Oh, good. You plug it in and test it, and then we're good to go. Put you in first, because last week I learned my lesson. I forgot about this clip. I put everything in, man. Everything really tight. Everything was all screwed up. Do you think it would start? It's the first time I'd ever done it. All the years I was fuming because I had to strip everything back out just to get that clip in. Yeah, sitting there nicely. And you're going to sit there nicely. We are good, my man.
We're good.
We are absolutely good. Yeah, boy. Let's take. Let's take you. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 9, 10. Back straight. Yay! No. You might have to drive this, right?
You're not driving?
No. You'll have to drive it, like maybe just round the block to try and get rid of that.
Okay.
Because that's related to changing your steering lock.
No, that's fine.
I've manually reset it.
Yeah, that's fine.
And it's all fine, but if that doesn't go out, it's a code clearance. Can't do anything about it. It's just because it knows it's had work done. They gave me one at the show and I just don't put it on my van.
Do you know what? They're easy.
The cat! He's just bolting out of it. I'm like, wow.
He does. He likes to bolt in your
That's
car.
funny. But they're shear bolts, mate.
Oh, okay.
I am definitely not putting them back in the same way as they come out, I can assure you. That is not how that's working. Work smarter, not harder. Screw them in. Won't happen again either. Right, you are good. That steering lock will see you out now. Sorry?
Car's rubbish anyway, I don't like it. But...
It's an Audi. It's an Audi. Problematic. Nice cars though.
It's alright. It's done its bit.
Yeah. Yeah, they're solid cars, mate. And that is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Whoa. Still burning my hands. Where is my flathead?
There is a flathead in my door if you need it.
Knew I had one somewhere.
Yeah, we got our own. Oh. Can you just press that top button just above your door handle? There we go.
Unlocking you out, mate. Let's put your screwdriver in there. Sweet! Beautiful. Yeah, we're making good. And a bigger one. Oh, we're nearly done. Put your car back together. My phone did not stop yesterday. I was fuming. Nah, I think we did about 40 calls. And I was just like, go away. It's only when you start ripping it all apart you realise what you got in your car.
Oh, literally, if you have a look at it,
Treat the kids in it and they're like, yeah, don't make a mess. No, Daddy, we won't make a mess. No. Trashed. Absolutely trashed. Beautiful. It's back on. I can't believe your mechanic went 600 quid.
Oh, it was ridiculous.
And you know him?
Yeah. I've been using him for a while. To be honest. But like,
I'm sure there's...
Sometimes you feel like, is their business slow so they charge us extra?
Yeah. Maybe, or they're really busy and gave you a off price.
I don't have time to fix the car, so.
And yeah, no, people do it, mate. People do it. You'll be ready for holiday in no time.
Yeah. Like the furthest you'll go to?
Generally like up to within an hour. I don't want to really travel much more than an hour. I don't need to. I'm busy. I'm busy, so busy locally. I don't need to do that distance. And the RAC, the AA, they keep me busy, man. Yee. Right. Let's get a photo. You're all good to go. That kept me fit.